The Steel Mace Helicopter Spin is quite a confidence challenging exercise. Now, I learned to do this from Anthony Rock on his Instagram at RockHardAthletics, and I'll tag him in the video. Now, my interpretation of the helicopter spin: you want to start with the mace balanced on the palm of your hand. And what we're going to do is, in a bayonet strike ready position, what we're going to do is lift the mace up, and as we do, we're going to induce a spin with the mace. At the top of the movement, you're going to open your palm up, allow the mace to spin on its pivot point, its center of gravity, and recatch the mace. Top tip, really spread your fingers out. When I first started learning this, what would often happen is I'd be a bit tempted to claw, and all that happened is the mace would hit my thumb or hit a finger, stop, and drop. Now, this is a bit more advanced exercise because it's happening right above you, and if anything does go wrong, where's it going to go? And that's also where the next point I want to bring on to is, when I do a helicopter spin, I also tend to do it slightly in front of me, so should anything go wrong, it's not coming down straight on top of me. I know it's not technically right, I just feel a little bit safer doing it that way. So what we want to do is, with confidence, if you chicken out, it's not going to work. You've got to go for it. Up, open the palm, catch, and we can come back down. And go again on the other side, up, open the palm, and down. And that is the Steel Mace Helicopter Spin. Stick it in your flows and show me what you've got.